How to make Notion aesthetic. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Notion a little bit aesthetic and you can design it better. So let's get into it. First of all, if you are a beginner, if you are a new user on Notion, so the best way to get started is get yourself a template. Just go into this option of templates and you'll find a template gallery. In the template gallery, you're going to find a couple of templates for all your needs. Like if you want to use Notion for your project management, for your business, for your as a student, for class management, whatever you need to use Notion for, you can get a template for of that and you can get everything in that template and you can organize according to that. But if you don't want to do that, there are a lot of options for you to style your Notion for yourself. So first of all, here you can see I have this option right here. I'm just going to change this heading to I'm going to write science project. For example, I'm a student and I am basically managing my science project and I'm making a page for that so that I can work better on it. So this is the name of my page. So what next? You can add a cover. You can just go on and click on this option, add cover, and you can add a beautiful cover to your to your page to make it a little bit more good. So I want to change the cover because it has given me the flowers. Let's say I'm going to make a science project, I'm going to add something that is related to science. So I can add this. I can add something that is earth is good, earth is related to science, but these are like phenomenal. So I'm just going to add one of these pictures. Let's say this one. Okay, so here you can see this is the picture that I've added. This is my heading. You can find styling options from here as well. You can change the style of your your whole page. You can make it this the default style, you can make it this the default style, and everything will be in this, as you can see. Or you can make it this, you can make a full small text, or you can make everything full width. It is completely up to you. I'm just going to undo that, and you can move to, you can customize page and everything. So there are the things as well. When you are here, you can add different icons. Like you can add a different icon. You can just go on and select the icon and you can add a different kind of icons to your text. Like if I'm talking about science, you can just go on and make something related to science and you can add that here, which represents your which is going to represent your page. It looks a little bit more good if you do that. So I'm just going to add these eyes because these are a lot more, let's say, just for the sake of it. Okay, so this is my icon, this is my heading. Now what I want to do is I'm just going to change this. Like if I want to drag this block or if you want to open the menu, I'm just going to click on this option and I'm going to find everything. Here you have text, page, to-do list, headings, and there are a lot of other blocks that you can add. Like if you want to add divider, you want to mention a person, you can add emoji, inline quotation table view, board view, like and everything. I'm just going to add a board view here, and let's see. Here you can see I got my board view. So I'm going to select a source. I have a to-dos here, courses and everything. So I'm just going to add to-dos. As you can see, unable to render this view, and here I have all the empty boards right here. You can add different things, you can assign different tasks, you can add due dates in it, and according right that you can basically go on and add different things on your page as well. After you're done with everything, you are basically going to get a very beautiful page for yourself, and you're going to get everything in line in this page, and everything will look very aesthetic and redesigned perfectly. You can change colors, you can add different pictures to make it more aesthetic. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.